Hello, my name is Dr. Drew Sutton, and I want to show you something that few people get the chance to see. This is a pair of 2,500-year-old teeth from one of our ancestors. It looks like this after being buried deep in the mud for centuries and accidentally excavated by heavy machinery. Not even a small cavity or crack, even though toothpaste, brushes, or dentists were inexistent back then. Now, these are the teeth of a 45-year-old patient who brushes every day, never misses a dentist appointment, and eats sweets only on occasion. So how come teeth can thrive for thousands of years outside of the mouth, covered in dirt and worms, while in the mouth they get ruined by plain chocolate? I can tell you now it's not genetics, nor how healthy you are. It has nothing to do with what you eat either. Instead, it has everything to do with something you are using every single day, thinking it keeps you healthy and safe, when in fact, it's getting inside your gum pockets, eating at your teeth, putting you at risk of throbbing pain, inflammation, and infections, while also making you prone to allergies, clogged sinuses, headaches, or gut issues. But once you'll find out what it is, you will finally be able to quickly start rebuilding your gums and teeth, stop the bleeding and the itching once and for all, while forgetting all about bad breath cavities and yellow teeth. Not only that, but you'll also be able to breathe better, clear your throat and sinuses, and enjoy a perfectly smooth digestion.
I have always taken such good care of my teeth, brushing, flossing, even giving up sweets. And I just couldn't understand why my gums always felt like they were swollen and itchy, or why cavities would just pop up overnight. Now it feels like I've got a new set of teeth and gums. Thank you so much, Dr. Drew. For the first time in decades, I am not in pain. Pretty cool.
What Dr. Drew was telling me to do seemed absolutely crazy. But what can I say? I was desperate, so I thought, I'll give this a try, maybe for a couple weeks. And I can't believe how well it worked. The results were great. No more toothaches, no more infections, and no more of that metallic blood taste in my mouth. And thank God, no more bad breath.
I had been suffering from throbbing gum infections for 5 years, and 2 of my teeth were moving. It was so bad I was afraid to eat. My doctor told me either I save money for implants or I have to get dentures. Imagine that, at my age? I still can't believe Dr. Drew's method saved me from all that torture. Now I tell everyone I have shark teeth.
Hi, my name is Dr. Drew Sutton, and before we go any further, let's address the elephant in the room. If you're like most of my clients, then you've probably heard all of the promises before and even tried a lot of the so-called solutions out there. Stuff like deep dental cleaning and scaling, antibiotics, fillings and root canals, or even gum grafts. Maybe you've put your hopes into supplements, vitamins, powders, sprays, or herbal teas. Or maybe you're even thinking about surgery to strengthen your gums or implants. Procedures that cost a painful amount of money can put you at risk of infections and have no guarantee they will work whatsoever. For example, up to 10% of dental implants fail in the first 3 years, while the incidence of biologic complications over a 10-year period can be as high as 69%. If you're like most people I work with, then you already know these so-called solutions are a never-ending subscription to the dentist chair that leave you in pain, scared, and disappointed. Which is why I want to be extremely clear that what I'm talking about here is unlike anything you've ever seen or heard of before. It's not based on alternative treatments or positive thinking. It's based on real, solid science. It's a solution that will remineralize and feed your gums with oxygen, backed by tens of clinical trials and supported by multiple international scientific studies from places like Harvard University, Sao Paulo State University, or the University of Otago, New Zealand, or by reputed publications like the Journal of the American Dental Association and Scientific Advances. Which is why it's very important that, before you spend your money on any more professional products or solutions, you pay close attention to what I am about to say. Because as a doctor for more than 30 years, I've seen firsthand how debilitating and painful gum disease can be. How it can drag you into a pit of despair and embarrassment and isolate you from your dear ones. So I'm happy you've chosen to look at this video, because this will transform your teeth, your smile, and your life. No matter how long you've been dealing with dental problems, no matter how serious those problems are, your age or medical condition, I truly believe there is a simple solution to gum disease and tooth decay, and it's so powerful that I am convinced it will change your life forever, just like it has for so many other Americans. Just imagine. No more inflamed, bleeding gums or blood taste in your mouth. No more throbbing pain and bad breath. No more risking serious infections or stuffing yourself with expensive painkillers, hoping the pulsating tooth agony will let you breathe for just 1 second. Never having to cover your mouth or feel embarrassed. Never having to see your friends or colleagues take a step back when you talk to them. and never having to see your spouse or kids turn their heads away when you want to kiss or hug them. Instead, you can become one of those people with a rock-solid confidence because your smile will finally look like a Hollywood smile, white, clean, and gleaming with health, and never ever set foot in a dental office again. Once you see the groundbreaking science behind this inexpensive solution for yourself, I'm sure that you'll be excited to give it a try. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal why our ancestors, despite never brushing their teeth or going to the dentist, had better teeth than ours. The #1 hidden gum and teeth destroyer most people and dentists actually consider to be the best thing ever invented for teeth.